Pavers is complete. Um, Gotta do a little cleaning, maybe a little acid wash, just get everything looking uniform, and that's it. Started cleaning the roof. It's not 100% clean yet, but we're getting there. Pavers is done. I'll take you right around the roof. Front to the back. So that's the front of it. We gotta do a little more cleaning, to remove some of the debris on the roof. But other than that, pavers is in. I mean, there's one or two. Got to twig a little bit, but that's it. That's about it. All those panels was installed by me and my guys, and obviously all the units was installed by me and my guys too. So both sides, stairs was installed by me and my guys. Nice gloves, man. Nice gloves. Electrician got his hand full, trying to wire up all the units on the roof. So we still, have a little mess, but carpentry-wise, I think we good. What's up? So why you didn't try to tie off above your head instead of tying off underneath you? If you're falling on this, it's not gonna save you, bro. It's just gonna pull you down faster. Really? Next time you're tying off, tie off above your head, man, not under your feet.